Hi friends, how are you today? Are you happy? Yes. Are you okay? Yes. Today we are going to learn past tense and future tense. The simple past tense is used to describe an action completed in the past. An adverb or adverbial phrase of past time like yesterday, last night, 10 days back, 4 years ago, etc. is generally added to sentences describing past action. I learned English yesterday. I received your letter yesterday. 5 years ago, I left this college. To indicate a habitual action in the past. My father always went for a walk every morning. I attended the church regularly during my young days. The past continuous tense is used to describe an action going on at a point or period of time in the past. At 6 a.m. this morning, I was doing my homework. I was resting the whole day. The past time may be indicated by another event that took place then. They were sleeping when the thief entered the bedroom. The light went out while I was reading. The past perfect tense is used to indicate that an action was completed at some point in the past time before another action commenced or took place. When I went to my friend's house, he had gone to temple. When I reached the station, the train had left. The thieves had run away before the police arrived. If two actions occurred in the past, one past action earlier than the other past action, the past perfect is used. For earlier past action, the train had left, and the simple past for the later past action, I reached. Past perfect means past of the past, that is the earlier of two past actions. The past perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action which began in the past and continued up to a certain point of time in the past. When I visited him in Chandigarh, he had been teaching there for 5 years. They had been playing in the park for 3 hours before I called them. The simple future tense is used to describe an action which is yet to happen. I will learn English tomorrow. I shall go to Agra tomorrow. I will meet my friend. The future continuous tense is used to describe an action that will be continuing at a given point of time in future. Tomorrow, at this time, I shall be taking my tests. What will you be doing this evening? The future perfect tense is used to describe an action that will be completed at a given point of time in future. By the end of this month, we shall have shifted to our new house. Before you reach his home, he will have left that place. I shall have returned from school by the time. The future perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action that will be in progress even after a point of time in future. By the end of this year, I shall have been living in Kolkata for 4 years. This tense is no longer in use nowadays. Thank you.